Moon Base Rescue is designed to engage minds and boost social awareness through skill building and self-understanding, empathy, collaboration, and communication. Students set off in a space station where Space Commander Emery asks them to help repair the moon base. Players will meet characters on 4 planets and complete tasks, solve puzzles, build prototypes, and strengthen communication skills. This game comes with a built-in tutorial for beginning gamers, which can be skipped for more advanced players. All 24 lessons are designed to be self-paced and exploratory. Inspired by the thinking and behavioral attributes of Emergenetics, the included lessons will engage students in different approaches to processing information and interacting with others. Some activities will energize students, while others may leave them feeling more challenged. And by learning about themselves and how to best interact with others, students will solve problems, earn coins, and ultimately reflect on their self-discoveries in their captain's journal. As a culminating project, players travel to a scaled replica of Blue Origin's orbital reef, a mixed-use, low-orbit space station. Working as teams, students use their strengths to design a sustainable living and work environment in the space station where everyone feels welcomed.